Angelina Jolie is more than just a Hollywood actress. She's also a director, humanitarian, and style icon. Stay tuned to discover a few incredible facts about her and uncover the secrets behind her success. Early life and education. Angelina Jolie Voigt was born on June 4, 1975, in Los Angeles, California. Her parents are actors Jon Voight and Marceline Bertrand, and she has a brother, James Haven. Jolie's mother raised her as a Catholic. She pursued acting from a young age and faced teasing during her school years for her appearance. She later returned to theater studies and graduated from high school at 16. Career: 1991-1997. Jolie began her professional acting career at 16 and struggled to pass auditions in the beginning. She appeared in student films and music videos before landing her first major film role in Cyborg 2 in 1993. Following this, she appeared in several other films and music videos, but not all her projects were successful critically. Rise to prominence: 1998-2000. Jolie's career took off after award-winning performances in George Wallace, 1997, and Gia, 1998. She received acclaim for her method acting. Despite some mixed reviews, she achieved further success in films like Playing by Heart, 1998, and Girl Interrupted, 1999. Her role in Gone in 60 Seconds, 2000, marked her first major blockbuster. Worldwide recognition: 2001-2004. In 2001, Angelina Jolie's role as Lara Croft in Tomb Raider propelled her to international stardom. Despite the film's mixed reviews, it was a box office hit. Jolie then appeared in several films, including the sequel to Tomb Raider, but faced mixed success. In 2004, she starred in multiple movies, receiving mixed to positive reviews for her performances. Established actress, 2005-2010. In 2005, Angelina Jolie starred in the successful film Mr. and Mrs. Smith with Brad Pitt, which received mixed reviews but was praised for the chemistry between the leads and became her highest-grossing live-action film for the next decade. She received acclaim for her roles in A Mighty Heart, 2007. Relationships and marriages. Jolie had relationships with several partners, including a serious boyfriend at 14, actor Johnny Lee Miller, model and actress Jenny Shimizu, and actor Billy Bob Thornton. Her most prominent relationship was with actor Brad Pitt, whom she married in 2014 and divorced in 2016. Their relationship attracted significant media attention, and they were known as Brangelina. Jolie and Pitt were also involved in legal disputes after their separation, with Jolie alleging physical and verbal abuse. Appearance. Angelina Jolie is widely recognized for her beauty and sex appeal, with many media outlets and public polls naming her the most beautiful and sexiest woman. Her appearance has had a significant impact on popular culture, influencing beauty standards and cosmetic surgery trends. If you enjoyed learning more about Angelina, please remember to like, comment, and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Someone more like herself.